Hello, my name is Henry Emphrey, and today I'm going to show you how to make a nice and relaxing recipe for your coffee. First, you need some coffee. My coffee is black and I use decaf coffee when I try to sleep at night. You can use whatever coffee you want. Next, use maple syrup or honey, black pepper, ground cinnamon, and next, some paprika. First, take the maple syrup and put in 1 or 2 tablespoons of the maple syrup. Next, take the cinnamon and put in a tablespoon or half a tablespoon of that too. Next, take the black pepper. Put in about a dash of that. Don't put too much black pepper. Put maybe 1/4 teaspoon. Act as if you're putting salt on popcorn or something. You wouldn't want too much salt, right? Last, take the paprika and put in a dash of that too. I said maybe 1/4 teaspoon. After all your ingredients are put inside of your cup of coffee, stir it up. And then, that's your beverage. Mmm. Mmm. I ain't gonna do what I usually do in the other videos. And then this should be a relaxing drink. Till next time. Thanks. Bye.